Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up and install your HP DesignJet Studio Printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser and into Google search for HP DesignJet Studio Support. Go ahead and search for that. Best result should come back with an HP support page that says HP DesignJet Studio Printer. Go ahead and open that up. And now on this page, you want to scroll down underneath the driver section and select HP DesignJet and page-wide XL Windows Printer Driver Installer. Go ahead and download that item and then open up that file once it's done. Select yes if you receive a user account control prompt, and it will begin to scan your network for your printer. So if you haven't inputted your network credentials onto your printer yet, you may want to do that while we're waiting here. But if you're using a manual install or plug and play, there'll be options that'll come up after this that we can go through. And then, like I said, you can select the manual option or via USB cable if it's unable to find it on your network, or you can go ahead and search again on your network once you've inputted those credentials in, and then just select next. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.